H section, sir.
H. It should not happen. If by any chance due to some net related issue or our website related issue, I'll check, and if it is not there, I will include you again. But it should not happen because it was showing 184 team members. But
Okay,
how you are here if you are not included in the class?
I joined according to the calendar, sir. In the calendar,
Calendar means from which team you have got that information.
MS Teams only, sir.
MS team, but which team? There are so many teams.
No, sir.
Is it not written there? Section H and I, P, I.
Sir.
Anyway, you have joined, and we'll continue.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The date of the examination, mechanics.
बोल दिया मैंने. आपने सुना नहीं? Late
नहीं,
join किया होगा.
Sir, Lakshmi sir was taking the class. That's why.
Okay. So इधर सरस्वती जी का भी क्लास होगा. एक दो मिनट रुक जाए बेटा, बाकी लोगों को आने दे.
सर एग्जाम का हो सकता है मैकेनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग में.
तो वही पुराना क्वेश्चन, 2 मिनट रुक जाना बेटा.
रुक भाई सर, सबका सर तो वो है.
It's a very important announcement that for few people, if it is there and other people are in dark, then definitely it will create some mess. So do you find on your screen the file shared, a blank page most likely you are getting?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you find anything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
8 and 10.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
is that time booked already by any other faculty member?
We don't know, sir.
You don't know means
We don't know, sir.
I am the first person to book this slot. Don't leave it to anybody.
So your mic is
तो ये माइक बंद कर बेटा. So as you are not confirmed regarding this time, so this time is booked by me, and you should be available during this 1.5 hour for the CA1 test on Saturday, 15th of January. Right? Now please check whether this date is Saturday or not.
Yes, sir, it is Saturday.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. It is Saturday.
And your CA1 slot is 10 to 15th. 10th January to 15th January. And one more thing.
So your voice is breaking.
My voice is not breaking.
you, sir.
Some
Saurav.
household disturbances, disturbing sounds are coming from any of your friends' microphone. So please check it. Now, one thing, on Saturday officially you do not have class, so there cannot be any teachers lecture during this time. So I am the first person to book this slot, and you should not comment to other people, whoever it may be, and however powerful that teacher may be. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए कुछ तो कंसेशन होता है ना, तो मेरे लिए एक टाइम दे. ओके
Sir, we
then-
will not leave any notes, sir.
सर 10 से 11:30 तक.
कितना मार्क्स का एग्जाम हो?
15 मार्क्स
और 1.5 घंटे के लिए. I think sir it should be 11 to 11:30 sir.
भाई माइक बंद कर लो. कौन कर रहा है ऐसा? सौरभ राज, प्लीज टर्न ऑफ योर माइक.
Yeah.
15 marks CA. C course 5 marks each. Now for further information, I must say that mid-sem 25 marks, end-sem marks. Done? You must know it. In website, everything is available there. Anyway, for this test, 15 marks, a continuous assessment, 3 questions, 5 marks each, 1.5 hour. That means average, you are getting half an hour time for every question. Questions will be descriptive. Mainly. Some part
Sir, you are muted.
So syllabus.
Sir, muted you are.
Somebody. जो बेटा
क्यों कर रहे हो यार?
इन लोगों का
याद नहीं है, वो दुश्मन है.
मतलब
परमिशन
हर बार यही करते हैं.
परमिशन
मिल जाए तो फिर बताते हैं.
ओके
सर कौन से मतलब एमएस टीम में होगा या फिर मॉडल में सर?
बताऊंगा बेटा.
ओके
थोड़ी
ओके.
देर रुक जा. वो बगल में पेपर पेंसिल इरेजर कुछ है, उसमें लिख ले 15 जनवरी सैटरडे 2022 10 से 11:30 1.5 hours 15 marks 3 question 5 marks each. Descriptive type mainly, some part may be of MCQ type. Then अब क्या पूछ रहे थे बताइए.
सर डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ करके दोबारा सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा.
डायग्राम ड्रा करना है.
जो क्वेश्चन में मेंशन किया गया उसको दोबारा करना है ड्रॉ सर।
syllabus.
सर सिलेबस बोलिए सर।
सर शीट में डायरेक्ट आंसर से शुरू करेंगे।
सिलेबस टिल टुडे इज इट अवेलेबल ऑन योर स्क्रीन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चाहिए सिलेबस टिल टुडे।
Sir, please.
Place will get individual question for NIT DGP mail ID around 9:50 AM. That day.
Okay, sir.
Difficulty level.
डिफिकल्टी लेवल आपका क्या चॉइस है?
सर पहली बार एग्जाम है थोड़ा
Very easy level, sir. Very easy.
हाँ सर पहली बार दे रहे हैं एग्जाम।
Yes, sir. Very
सर
very.
थोड़ा आइडिया नहीं है सर, थोड़ा इजी
हाँ सर पहली बार।
Now there is one thing.
पूरा नहीं सर बहुत।
सर अगर इजी क्वेश्चन नहीं देते तो आधे घंटे टाइम नहीं देते शायद।
सर फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम दे दीजिए सर।
सर अभी भी जेई के डरावने सपने आते हैं।
हाँ सर आपको सर।
सर
फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने दे दीजिए।
My sound system is not working properly, so I cannot hear you properly.
We got some jokes, sir. We got some jokes.
तो ये आपने 9
Okay. So
upload the answer sheet, sir.
now please check your NIT DGP mail ID around that time, and you will get individual question. And if you are not getting your question after 10, then you just give me directly a phone call to my phone number, and I'll send it again. Okay, but it's not like that you ask anybody, maybe some self-declared, or you have decided somebody to represent you. कुछ नेताजी आप चुन लिया, so you don't ask your नेताजी to give that question. You will get your individual question. Okay.
So what is your phone number?
फोन नंबर ये बेटा तेरा पहला क्लास है क्या?
हाँ सर मेरे पास है।
अब ठीक है,
इस पे होगा।
बेटर you send normal SMS, not WhatsApp.
Thank you, sir.
Mentioning
First paper, sir.
Your roll number.
done.
Okay, sir.
Only free body diagram, sir.
Sir, where should we upload the answer sheet, sir?
Please say the difficulty level.
You
Can we send the answer sheet?
do
Sir,
yes.
sir, we have not receiving any mail regarding classes, sir. We have joining through MS Teams calendar, sir. Then we will get a question paper, sir, in mail.
Is it not working, that mail ID? What,
sir,
what
working.
Sir, do we need to send it in reply format or अलग से भेजना है? यानी कि रिप्लाई करके सेंड करेंगे या फिर सेपरेटली?
Whatever.
कैमरा ऑन रहेगा सर?
कैमरा कैसे ऑन?
हाँ कैमरा नहीं सर, नेटवर्क का भी इशू है। और
क्या लिखा है बता?
सेपरेट मेल, रिप्लाई मेल।
सर रोल नंबर, रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर, ये सब कुछ लिखना हो तो आंसर शीट में?
नहीं, कुछ मत लिखिए। मैं अपने आप समझ लूंगा, मैं हैंड राइटिंग एक्सपर्ट हूँ। ओके बेटा, ऐसे बकवास सवाल मत पूछ।
सर आपने ना इतना कन्विंसिंगली बोला कि 1 सेकंड के लिए सच में लगा।
So I can join this क्या बोलते हैं टीवी सीरियल में। So you are appreciating my that capability.
डेफिनेटली सर।
सर अपने
Okay.
अपने
Yes,
इंस्टीट्यूशन में
sir.
आपको
There are-
आंसर
there
शीट
are so-
भेजना है।
There are so many issues. So let me complete it first. So send your answer to my office mail ID. Normal mail what you are receiving. Are you not getting any mail to your this office mail ID, institute mail ID?
Yes.
So
Every
they-
day we are
Yes, sir, we
getting
do
a
get
mail.
some mail.
Now one thing you can do, just give me any mail ID. Okay, I'll check it for the very first roll number, section H1. Okay, and whenever I do it, I will tell you, and please check your mailbox whether you have received any test mail there or not. Now before that, I'm sure that you will get that, and we have enough time, more than a week. We have time to communicate, and normal classes will be there on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Normal classes will be there.
Yes, sir.
So far as there is no notification that during this CA1 span no classes will be held, so I assume that classes will be there, and I will also take the classes. But the syllabus, it is not up to that very previous class corresponding to that 15th. It is curtailed on today. Okay. Now next thing.
Okay.
I'm not writing it. I'll just describe it. You have to procure few white A4 pages from photocopying shop.
Yes, sir.
There you are getting enough time, more than a week. So finish all these formalities. So on one side of those pages, you have to write answers. Maybe 10-12 pages will be there. So on each page, you make border lines or margin lines of 1 inch gap, clear 1 inch gap. Pencil chalega, no problem. So give 1 inch margin all around the edges, because it has been seen. It is my experience that when you scan any page, sometime the words written very close to the margin, those are get out of your scanned pages. So give a clear 1 inch margin all around this page. Then on the top of the inside part, you write your name, roll number, the subject XEC01, CA1, 15th January 2022. That's all. So this much information will be sufficient about your answer sheet. So that is one thing. Each and every page should have 4 border lines along this 1 inch margin. Then inside that space, on the very top, you write your identity, name, roll number, and examination identity, XCC01, CA1, 15/1/22. Is it clear to everybody?
Sir,
Then-
due to network issue, I am not able to hear what you saying, sir.
That-
Please repeat again.
So whatever I am saying, you cannot hear me. What about the issue of other people?
So we can hear, bro.
Now,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
I
me
can
too.
hear.
We can hear you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So please don't make me muted there. Of course.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to write on both the sides of the A4 page.
No. That I told you. On one
Sir,
side.
please repeat again.
Achha.
Sir, even if you write, how will you know?
A4 pages, white.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
Someone is muting everyone.
Clear 1-inch margin.
मार्जिन
That is border lines.
नहीं करना पड़ेगा सर
Pardon?
सर नेसेसरी
अबे मार्जिन तो देना पड़ेगा ना, सब एग्जाम में ही तो देते थे।
ना आपका
नहीं,
प्रॉब्लम
सर,
क्या है?
ऐसे-
मार्जिन देने में प्रॉब्लम क्या है तेरा?
मार्जिन ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा।
मेरा
यस
पेंसिल से ना
एक
सर
दिन
मार्जिन।
घबरा क्यों रहा है भाई?
Sir,
Sir, margin should be from all sides or from side only. It is not from up.
एक साइड पहले एक दिन पहले ड्रॉप कर देना।
Both sides sir. All four sides देख लो।
Is it very tough job? Started today and every day 2 pages. Before 15th, there will be 14 pages of drawn margin. This is clear verdict. It is direction. Whatever I am telling, you have to do it. पक्का? उसके बाद तो difficulty level आएगा. So clear 1-inch margin, all 4 sides, and you started from today. Procure those white pages. Drawing is necessary.
So do we have to mention our roll number and the name on each 14 pages?
Exactly. And page serial number.
Okay, sir.
Name, roll number, XCC 01, CA 1. Date. Okay.
Time.
Also page serial number.
If you have 12 pages, then you write the page serial number in this way. 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, so that I can understand that there were 12 pages. So if by any chance you are not giving this total number of pages, suppose you have made 12 pages, but you have scanned 11 pages and you have sent it to my mailbox. Then what happens? I will understand that there are only 11 pages. If you send me 11 pages, if you by any chance lose 2 pages and send me 10 pages, I will understand there will be only 10 pages. But at the end of the day, you are missing 2 pages of your answer and scoring some less marks. Okay. So it is your responsibility to specify on each page that this is the page serial number and this is the total number of pages. So this thing, if you are not acquainted with this format, you must know it.
So diagrams are freehand or by scale and pencil?
Scale and pencil will be preferred, but if your freehand sketch is quite rather good enough, then you can do it. But normally, what we prefer, it should be proportionate. Means suppose two lanes are given 1 meter and 2 meter, and you are with your freehand such ability showing that same length of line, for one it is 1 meter, for other it is 2 meter, नहीं चलेगा. Okay, so that's why it's better to use scale, और उससे टाइम कम लगेगा. स्केल पेंसिल यूज का टाइम कम लगेगा. So when you have finished then scan every pages sequentially. Okay, so not start page 2, then page 5, page 3, not in haphazard way. So scan every pages sequentially and put it in a single PDF file. Okay. Now, normally we people do not have flatbed scanner. That is in our residence. Normally in offices we keep it, and we are habituated to use the smartphones to have that scan. But sometimes we scan it in the other form, that is simply take photograph in JPG format and send it. Please don't do it. Okay, it should be in PDF. Is it okay? Any more question?
How much time will we get for uploading this?
15 minutes.
Sir, what about engineering graphics exams, CA1?
वो practical subject है, उसका कोई CA1 नहीं होता है.
Only 8 semester.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
15 minutes for uploading. Now,
Sir, can we use?
Just to hold answering. Let me complete that answer. That for practical subject there is no formal curriculum examination. CA1, mid semester, end semester of 15, 25, and 60 marks. Only thing, you have to be assessed regarding your throughout the semester performance. For that, whenever I ask you to draw some figure and submit it or upload it or send it to my mail ID, you have to do it throughout the semester. Maybe at the end, towards the end of the semester, I can take one examination like thing, but it is not formally declared end semester examination, just to assess you regarding some overall understanding of you about this subject and your ability to attack any particular type of question, whether you are practiced or not. So that kind of thing. Now, that we'll discuss later. But one thing, some Mahesh Babu asked me that on that A4 page, the size is very short, it's very small. I cannot draw the whole thing, whatever you have discussed in the class. I never told you to accommodate all the thing. It was shown whenever you come to the institute, and normally the people, those who are working offline classes in the drawing halls, those big size pages are used, the drawing sheet, and that size is also mentioned, approximately 375 millimeter by 550 millimeter. That is not for you, and different figures are given that which are normally accommodated, or it is possible to accommodate it clearly in that page's size mentioned. But in this online mode, what you can do, you take single A4 pages, and how many diagrams or figures or explanations or whatever it is there can be accommodated, you do it for your practice. Because whenever I ask you to submit some assignment, naturally you must not fumble. So that practice with pen, pencil, eraser, protractor, compass, divider, you must be completely habituated or well practiced. Now, the minute after practice, I will not force you. If you can afford a drawing board and a mini drafter and that big size drawing paper, then it's fine for you. But it's not in general for everybody. For everybody, I cannot set that compulsion. Okay. So just you have to compromise during this online system. We are bound to accept this thing, whether we prefer it, want it. That's not in our hand. And particularly these days, not only this Omicron, the normal COVID-19, that also spreading, I can't explain in what exponential manner it is increasing, and every day. So please stay at home, stay safe, and don't just get panicked. Whatever basic health regulations and norms are given by your parents, the local doctors, your family doctors, and moreover the governments, you follow it. Or
So what about you said that 12 pages, maximum 12 page?
So 15 minutes including the time given or after 11:30?
After 10:30.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Oh, okay, sir. So the summarizes, you will give us question at 9:50, each mail, each questions, and we will start exam from 10 to 11:30, and then we'll make the PDF by scanning, and then
send it to my office mail ID, not through reply mail. You prepare a separate mail.
okay, all right.
Okay. Now, another important thing here, file name,
File name should contain your roll number,
otherwise it will be very difficult to identify your answer pages. Okay, so the file
On
name,
51, like that.
21H35. I don't need that 800. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
you will give us question on our college mail ID, and we have to submit through a different mail, not through our college mail.
Through college mail only we have to send, right?
यहाँ पर तो लिखा है separate mail.
Separate
Mail
separate.
So we have to create a separate mail.
That mail से नहीं भेजना separately.
Make a mail.
What if we did not submit in time?
Okay.
If we did not submit in time, what will happen?
0. Then that means that I have to submit through
CA.
college mail ID.
send your answer. THROUGH your NIT DGP mail ID. Is it elaborated sufficiently?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So send your answer through
now.
your
Yes, sir.
NIT DGP mail ID or not through, rather from.
So is there any class in CA 1 week?
Classes will be there. Have you received any notification from Dean that no classes will be there during CA1 span?
No,
No,
sir.
So classes will be there.
No, sir.
So while sending, you just do this thing. You download the question. Then you forget about the mail, whatever you have received. You download the question. You prepare the answer. Put the formalities information. Then scan it. After scanning, you send it to my office mail ID from your NIT DGP mail ID. Confirm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Now, any more clarification you require?
Yes, sir. In A4 size paper, can we use rolled paper?
No.
Sir, we use black ink, no problem, sir, to write in the A4 sheet paper.
If white is mentioned there, not ruled. A ruled का spelling क्या है बेटा?
ROL.
ROLL.
Yes, sir.
Not roll.
RULED.
RULED, sir.
RULED.
Okay.
RULED.
Ruled us.
So we are not ruled.
ठीक है भाई ठीक
So we are unruly then. Or we are independent.
Yes, sir.
We are not ruled by anybody. So
Difficult.
Yes, sir. Jai Hind, sir.
we are indisciplined. तो ठीक है, समझ गया. Whatever information require, any further clarification you need, तो बताइए, वो भी लिख देता हूँ.
Difficulty level.
Difficulty level, 0 level. Difficulty level is relative. Difficulty level जितना कम होगा, assessing level will be उतना ही ऊंचा होगा.
So difficulty level 0 according to you or according to us?
So, difficulty level with respect
According
to
to
IIT
Einstein.
examination.
देखिए,
Yes, sir. We are giving first time exam. That's why, please, sir.
তুমি নিজেরটা কাজ করো না
For the other.
difficulty
Parva.
level is relative. The most meritorious student of your batch who had most likely secured computer science or electronics department in your institute, that merit and person, those who are interested to change their branches from biotechnology or civil, etc. Naturally, you cannot compare their merits of the same club. So naturally, difficulty level for electronics, computer science people of such meritorious people and so-called biotech civil, you people are not interested there, and somehow after the end of the second semester, sir, I want to change my branch. The naturally difficulty level will be different. Now, some people are telling that, sir, I do not follow English. So, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि my English is such a Shakespearean English or some such kind of old British English that you cannot understand. बेटा मेरा इंग्लिश भी बहुत पोर है, somehow काम चला लेता हूँ, and sometimes I manage when I fumble for the correct word, I manage with some Hindi. Anyway, that is also official working language like a thing. Anyway, please don't mind. So बहुत बकवास हो गया, बकवास नहीं बकबक हो गया. So this is the date and time, mainly descriptive, diagram to draw. Of course, syllabus till today, you will get individual question in your mail ID around 9:50 AM that day. If you have not received, then you send one SMS there mentioning your roll number, so that your mail ID I can use only. Send separate mail, not through the reply mail. Only thing, you download the question, prepare your answer on white pages, not ruled, and 12 is example 12. It's not like that. If you can finish in 10 pages, it's fine, no problem. But one thing, this thing, 15 minutes for, 15 minutes for uploading after 11:30, it does not mean 15 minutes for uploading, that is the maximum time. You can upload, if you finish it by 10:45, then by 11 you can upload definitely. Then in that case, not only 11, you can...
आपको म्यूट कर दिया है.
Sir,
नहीं तो फिर दिखा रहा है.
नहीं सर नहीं किया है, बोलिए सर, सुनाई दे रहा है.
So I think that file is not... so you can see that file, whatever it is described there. And 11:30 does not mean that you have to upload after 11:30 only. 11:45 is the last, that is the limit of sending the mail. But if you finish by 11, then you can take that 45 minutes time up to 11:45. Now one thing, let us forget about all these things. I hope you have taken some screenshot for all this discussion. Now come out from this page and just let me do one thing. I received one question, that question from Harshit Rai. Now, beta Harshit Rai, aap idhar ho?
Yes, sir.
So, for this problem, 2.41, I think, you
Yes, sir.
ask, so what will be the etc. For the resultant should have that direction along this member BC. So what has been done, we take this point as origin, C as origin, indicate two mutually perpendicular lines. One is along this member BC, other is perpendicular to this. Name them as x-axis and y-axis. After that, you put all the direction. Now, one thing in your diagram, what you have seen in your camera, that vertical orientation is not properly shown, but this line looks to be parallel to this, and it is understood that this line is vertical downward, and that's why 35 degree this directions, these are there. Then next angle is 25 degree, remaining
कैसा दिया तो हाँ
algebraic summation of all the forces along y direction will give you the component, y component of the resultant R. Then these are like this. Now, while doing all these things, there is some possibility that equation, you will get the
Sir, please check.